Came in. Geiger counter's on.
I suppose that's normal background radiation, the kind you'd find in any well-maintained nuclear facility.
Okay, so goes up to about 3.
Or for that matter, playgrounds and hospitals.
Or on a plane.
Okay, so here we are on the ground, and our background radiation is about 12, give or take. About normal. It drops down quite a lot when you're on a plane because you get some shielding from the actual plane itself. But we will see what it's like once we get up to altitude. There's the reactor. Let's get a reading. So it's about twice background. Low clouds. And we're still up to about 20 to the high cloud now, the cirrus. And the sun's going. As you can see, we're all the way up to 0.81. But we're that close to the core. It's about 1. Now if I did get a little closer, what you'll find is it will get okay, so goes up to about 3. But 3 is when you're literally right at the reactor. Holy crap. Up to 2.6. So back over to 3.08.
Why am I not freaking out that I'm getting 30 times the background radiation on this plane? Well, radiation's a bit odd like that. The more of it you get exposed to, the higher your chances of getting cancer. So I can see all these people turning white saying, oh my god, you're 30 times more likely to get cancer if you spend your life on a plane. Well, yes, but 30 times bugger all is still bugger all. The easiest way to understand these risks is to just compare them to the risk of, say, dying while driving. Again, there's this kind of linearity to it. The more you drive, the more likely you are to die on the roads. And it turns out that about a year's worth of background radiation gives me about the same chance of dying from cancer as driving about 1,000 miles. And seeing as your average American drives some 10,000 miles per year, that means that you're about 10 times more likely to die in a car accident on the roads than you are to die from cancer from the background radiation. So where is all this background radiation coming from? Well, the universe is a radioactive place. The Earth is radioactive, and so is space. So when you're on the ground, you get most of the radiation from the ground.
Okay, so here we are on the ground, and our background radiation is about 12, give or take. It's about normal. It drops down quite a lot when you're on a plane because you get some shielding from the actual plane itself.
But you're shielded by the atmosphere from space. However, when you get up high, you're mostly shielded from the radioactivity from the Earth, but not from that of space. Turns out that even if I include the chances of dying in a plane crash and the chances of dying from the enhanced radiation exposure, flying is still about 30 times safer than driving the equivalent distance. And those are the main reasons why I don't freak out at getting exposed to 30 times the background level of radiation, either on a plane for a few hours or merely minutes when I'm changing a sample for doing an experiment at a nuclear reactor.
It's 5 minutes to 2 p.m. and the outside temperature is 20 degrees. Please remain
And inside
seated until
radiation
the
level
seatbelt signs have been
is back
switched
to
off.
background about
Please specialize
0.1.
show when opening the overhead.